In this session you will learn how to create a portfolio chart. So let's take a look here to product 5. We have a green bubble and we go to the sheet data portfolio and we will change the values from product 5, in this case the scoring point, from 4.2 to 2 points, and the gross margin actual value from 45 to 30. Go back to sheet chart portfolio and you see the bubble will change to the poor dogs, and also the color from green changed from green to red. Then we will change the actual value from the gross margin from 30 to 45. And our product number 5 is here. It's a cash cow, and the color changed from red to gray. So let's take a look, how does it work.